Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the very first day. We are driving the STI. It's all insured and registered now. Got all that taken care of, so this thing is 100% legal finally, and we have to go run some errands. I kind of made errands to run. A lot of the stuff I didn't really have to do today, but I just want to get a bunch of stuff done while we are like in the valley area. So yeah, we're in the STI and we're gonna see how she does today. Hopefully everything holds up well. I hope everything's tight. Should be good. Let's do this thing. First stop today is AMS oil. So I always run AMS oil, 5-30 in this and in the Evos. And we are all out, so I'm gonna go stock up on that while we're down here. We have 38 miles on the car now, and I noticed that shuddering is still there under throttle. It's not when you're just cruising, so it's only under throttle, and I'm pretty confident it's still a driveline issue. It's definitely a lot better, but it's still there, so I think I'm gonna pull the driveline off and have it balanced. If they can't balance it, we're just gonna have to replace it. If it was a wheel balance issue, it'd be constantly vibrating, not under just throttle. At least from what I've experienced. So yeah, let's head in, grab some AMS oil, and I think we are actually picking up the very first mod for the STI today as well. There is a ton of firsts happening with this car today. The first actual drive, the first mod is about to be picked up. We are out of gas, so the first fill up is today, which I'm kind of happy about because I don't know how old this gas was that was in here. Probably not all that old. Let's go fill this thing up. We're gonna pick up our first mod, and I don't know what else we're doing today. Maybe go back home and put on the mod. We'll see. That's real nice. All right, so we got the very first mod for the STI. These are just the muffler deletes. I don't want to get a full exhaust system and downpipe if we plan or potentially maybe doing a rotated turbo kit in the future. So for now, all we're gonna do is slap these on, make it a little bit louder. You don't have to tune for it. So yeah, pumped to get these on. Alright guys, so we're back home now, and we are about to throw on the muffler deletes. Now I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to put on the muffler deletes, and I'm hoping they're going to be a good bit louder. Obviously nothing crazy like, for example, one of the Evos. But what we're going to do is just put them on, and we're not going to tell Bobby that we did it whatsoever. And whenever she sees the car next, I'm going to have the camera rolling and see if she even notices. Maybe do a cold start for the boys, and if she doesn't notice, then it's probably not loud enough. But I'm thinking that she's going to be pretty stoked on the new muffler deletes. Now, as you guys can see, they're not like some name brand deletes. I don't know. I mean, maybe they are, but I'm pretty sure that they're like some homemade muffler deletes, which it's okay. Obviously, we're not going to run these forever. I just want to throw them on right now, just a little bit temporary, maybe a week or maybe 2 weeks. And then whenever we get a full exhaust system, we can obviously retune the car then. But with these, and these alone, you're not gonna have to retune whatsoever. So it's been a minute since I worked on exhaust on a Subaru. Those are quite large. Wow. Okay. So yeah, looks like 2 bolts right there, a hanger, probably 2 bolts and 2 hangers per side, and we should have these OEM mufflers off. Alright, so there is a side-by-side comparison of the deletes versus the OEM mufflers. Not only are those things going to look quite a bit better, those tips are a bit bigger, and they're blued, or the burnt look, but it should sound quite a bit better as well. At least that's what I'm hoping. All right, guys, we got the exhaust on. They don't really work for this car. They're actually for a WRX, and I didn't know they'd be different. They line up, everything lines up perfectly, except for the flange on the STI is wider. So this is really, really ghetto, but we only have one bolt in there, and then the hanger. It might leak a little bit, and I'm assuming it's going to, but honestly, being at the back of the car, not the biggest deal. That just means we really need to get a full exhaust system for this car now, like ASAP. But let's fire it up, see how it sounds, and if it sounds like we just have a really big exhaust leak, we can throw the OEMs back on until we get a full system. Honestly, guys, I am quite impressed. Even though there's only one bolt on there, they're not leaking whatsoever, and it actually sounds pretty good. It sounds better, I think, than I thought it would. Thankfully, on the STIs, they come stock with an unequal length header, so it has that soupy rumble, and it's just a little bit louder. A little bit louder. It's gonna get us through the week until we can get an actual exhaust system for this car, but let's let it warm up a little bit, give it some revs, and see how she sounds. Not bad at all. All right, let's go see what Bobby has to say about the new exhaust on the STI. Hopefully I didn't rev it up too much to where she heard the exhaust. I mean, it's not that loud.
Oh my god, you just kept going fast.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to order some Starbucks.
I feel it. Look who I ran into. The big hoss. Are you gonna pull up next to the STI?
Never done this one before.
Sheesh. Red and blue. What do you think is cooler?
What do I think is cooler?
That's not really blue, but it's kind of blue. You want to trade cars?
I'm kind of nervous.
You want to go cruise? I don't know why I'm vlogging on the GoPro right now, but you want to go cruise with me?
Yes.
You want to go get a cold start for the boys? Or a warm start for the boys on the STI?
Baby, it's so quiet you can't even hear the thing.
Just, well, shut off your car so we can hear you. We haven't
quiet.
done many cold starts in the STI yet, so we might as well while we still can, you know, while it still runs before she blows her top.
Why do you keep on saying she's gonna blow her top?
What if I told you I had an ETS turbo kit ordered?
Why would you still want to blow it up?
I wouldn't want to, it's just a Subaru.
I understand.
Bobby really wants to get a cold start for the boys. Here you go. Don't drop my camera.
Don't ding my car.
I put exhaust on it, motherfucker.
You did?
Go listen to it.
Is that why it sounds a little bit more?
Look at it. You can't tell?
What is this thing from?
You don't even know?
I literally can't tell at all.
Shit, it's not loud enough.
Is this from Cameron's car?
No.
Is it the same one?
Nope.
I understand.
I started it up and Bobby didn't even know we put exhaust on it, so that means it's not loud enough.
No, it's definitely not loud enough, but it actually has a rumble, which I was kind of confused about, but I laughed anyways.
So did you know or you didn't know?
Well, I honestly didn't know, but it does sound different. It's just not loud.
It's just a muffler delete.
But why is it so crusty? What is this off of?
It's used. Now this is only temporary, okay? Obviously. But yeah, I just put it on there because we don't need a tune for it. And it just sounds a little bit more oomphy. So when you're cruising around, you go oomph, oomph.
It
oomph.
does sound more rumbly, like a Subaru.
Should we get a...
Maybe I can go rev it up.
You want to go rev it? Alright,
Yeah.
go rev it up.
Maybe that will make a difference. Don't look at my outfit.
Wow.
I think
That's really loud.
I think the only reason that I think it's so quiet is because I'm used to my Evo.
All right, you want a cold start for the Evo now for the boys?
Yeah. Rose is really gonna rip.
You won't hear it over the STI though. This is straight shit. You win.
A little bit louder.
I think you win the battle.
It's okay, Haas.
All right, well, it's a little bit better, right? A little bit?
Yeah.
Good enough for now?
No, yeah.
Then when we do a full exhaust, then it'll sound like rough.
No, it honestly does sound better. I didn't mean to laugh. That was really rude of me.
It's okay. Oh my gosh. You stalled it. You stole the stock car. Wow, she really rips. This thing looks insane. I know I'm vlogging on my GoPro right now. My camera's dead. But we are at Elko Tin Shop and they just got done wrapping David's GTR. This color is so nice. Peep it. This thing looks like shit, bro. This looks really good. It actually looks like a GTR now, not a Prius. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video.
For real? That's the end of it?
There's so many firsts today.
Oh, I didn't.
First mod, that was the first mod. First actual drive, first fill up.
I wasn't even a part of any of it.
Yeah, because you work every day. Well, thank you for watching today's episode. Actually, are we gonna go cruise?
Yeah.
Are you gonna?
I'm gonna drive the STI.
Okay, well, I don't want to film that. I just want to cruise.
Okay, hold on.
Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.